Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I just want to remind you that I'll be doing the results of the silver wedding look giveaway live on Monday at 8 p.m. sharp. Please be there. Hello guys, I am so excited this morning. I actually got this package a little bit early. Yes, I have another original queen. They were so nice to ask me to review another unit, and of course I said yes. This one here is a 12-inch straight bob with a center part, and it's a 360 lace front wig, and it does have lace in the back. I'm going to be putting some pictures in the top. There's 4 combs and an elastic band, adjustable elastic band in the back. But she has a nice size parting space already. I'm not going to have to bleach any knots. She's pretty much ready to wear. I'm just going to put a little foundation on the lace. I have a decent amount of parting space, as you can see in that picture in the top. And yeah, I'll probably just take the backup curling iron and just flatten her down a little bit in the top when I get her on. I'm super excited to review this wig for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stick around to see the final look. Okay, everyone, it's time for the install. I've retwisted my own hair, and this is one of my own twists. So I'm just wearing these units as a protective style for a while. I do a press and curl, so I want to give my hair a break before the wedding. To install it, I'm going to be using the Got to Be Ultra Glued styling gel, and I already have a layer of it on my forehead, and I'm not going to use the blow dryer. I'm just going to let it dry or get tacky naturally. So this is the first layer, and I'll put a second layer. After I do the second layer, I'll be back and you can watch me put the unit on. Okay, no makeup. It's really bedtime. I just finished doing some wedding planning with my friends, and I'm tired, but I want to get this unit on because I want to wear it to church tomorrow. Okay, so I'll be back after I apply the second layer of the gel. Okay, I've got the second layer on, and I believe that it's tacky enough to start. One thing that I forgot to say in the beginning is after I cut the lace, I put powder on the lace so that it can match my own skin tone. And this is where I applied the powder right through there. After I get it on, well, I won't do it tonight, but I'll put, this is a center part, I'll put a little bit more here, maybe some concealer right in the part. Okay, so I'm going to put it on now. And try to work quickly and get it in position. Especially around my ears where I have the gel at. I'm just gonna hold it in place for a minute and stretch it. Okay, I have my rat tail comb, and I'm just going to gently comb this back. And press into my skin where the gel is. And I want to keep the hair back as much as possible, so to help with that, I'm going to use some of my large bobby pins here. This is a tedious job, so it kind of works better if you have someone to help you install it. But if you don't have someone to help you install it, then just, take your time. And let's see, I got a little hair there, so I want to get this hair out of the way because I really want it down around my ears. So I'm just going to take another bobby pin to hold the hair back so that the glue doesn't get on the hair. Okay, that's that side. I'll use my brush this time. I feel a few hairs, and inevitably you will get a couple of hairs stuck, but if you work kind of quickly, you can kind of grab them out of the way. I better use a bobby pin right there. Because what I'm going to do after I make sure that it's down all the way around, I'm going to tie it down with a scarf until it dries. And I'm using this comb instead of my fingers to press down. Another bobby pin. This package is so old. Look at it. I don't even know why I bought long bobby pins like this. I'm thinking maybe when I used to wear French rolls back in the day and sculpted ponytails and things like that, but I still cannot remember why I would purchase those bigger bobby pins. Okay, so I have her in place. All the way around. So now I have a scarf that I'm gonna put on. And I'm just gonna go right around my head, just like this. And I want it tight. Okay. That's it. And to clean up the glue off my face that I feel here, I'm just going to use some alcohol, just regular rubbing alcohol. I'm just going to put some on cotton. And then gently wipe any excess glue that I feel around the perimeter of my face. And that's it. Okay, so I'll be back in the morning, and definitely by the morning this will be dry, and I'll take the scarf off and style it and put on just a little bit of makeup because I'm nursing tomorrow, so I don't wear a lot of makeup when I nurse. That's it. Okay, be back in the morning. Good morning, everyone. It is time to finish up. On my way to church. And for church, I just wear really light makeup. I'm gonna put on a light pair of lashes. But I wanna come and finish up this install. So here we have it. It's glued down to my head. I'm gonna take the bobby pins out. And I use these bobby pins again to hold the hair back so that the glue gel would not get on the hair. I'm gonna take my Denman brush and go through it. And I already put powder in the parting space so that it blends in. And probably what I'll do is get my fawn colored concealer and just go right here at the tip, just a little teeny bit. And I might take it through the part, but what I'm gonna do first is kind of flat iron her a little bit. But before I do that, I'm going to use some what is this? Heat serum to prevent the hair from burning. I can't think, it's too early. I'm just going to use like a dime size amount, if you can see it there in my hand. And I really want it on the ends. She is so cute and so natural looking. I'm not gonna do baby hairs. It's not, well, I could put some there, but since I'm gonna have on my nurse's cap, I'm not gonna do baby hairs. So just gonna get a section, and I'm just gonna do this in the front to kind of knock out where I had those bobby pins placed. Because I want to keep her straight. I don't want to curl her. I tell you, I cannot see without my glasses. And just kind of run over her. Have to stand on my tippy toes for you guys to kind of see what I'm doing here. Yeah, but I'm just doing that in the front section only, and I'll leave the back as it is. And I'd just like to thank Original Queen and you know, for allowing me to review another one of their units. And she knows the one that I want next for the summer, and hopefully I'll get that one. I want the waterway for the summer. I think that those type of curls, or that curl pattern, is so pretty in the summer. I kind of bent that side a little bit, so let me go back over here in the front. I didn't mean to bend it. I'm so used to curls. That I just tend to turn my flat iron. Okay, there we have it. Again, this is a 12-inch straight bob, 360-degree lace front wig. There she is. Hey, okay guys, thank you for watching. You all have an amazing week. Take care now. Bye.